The Navy Technology Transfer Program. Collaboration, cooperation, accomplishment.
The whole Tech Transfer Act here was really critical in putting this in a format, in a product that could be convenient, cost-effective, and quick and easy to use.
The ONR Tech Transfer Program actually developed all the legal instruments that were used to transfer this technology.
In my opinion, was key to resurrecting the sort of relationship between the business office, legal, and technical side.
The key focus at the Navy Technology Transfer Office is transferring technologies developed by the Navy laboratories to the private sector through CRADAs, Cooperative Research and Development Agreements. After the private sector does additional development and manufacturing, the Navy reaches out to purchase the now mature technologies for the warfighter.
There are many people associate military technologies with weapons systems. A significant portion of the R&D that is conducted in the Navy laboratories have had tremendous impacts on the private sector.
In this video, we look at 3 different successful Navy technologies. QuickLight 200, a novel, self-contained portable instrument for testing contaminants in water. JMIC, the Joint Modular Intermodal Container. And TCP, Trivalent Chromium Processes, an anti-corrosive chemical conversion coating product for aircraft. Each of these products is unique. QuickLight, employing the latest in optics, electronics, and software computing. QuickLight 200 combines several components into a case small enough to be carried with one hand and deployed in the field for on-site environmental use.
Essentially what we have is a very sensitive marine plankton that responds to contaminants in the ocean. What happens is, as contaminants are in the water, a natural phenomenon that the bioluminescent plankton have is diminished. But the real innovation was the capability to be able to put an aquatic research organism in a disposable and packaged form. After approximately 4 to 24 hours, we test it to determine whether or not there's been an effect. So what we've been able to do is miniaturize a very complex and large instrument into a very simplistic automated process. Having a fast answer allows for a fast response. That's the most innovative part of QuickLight, in my opinion.
Besides that, it's really good to see a technology moving out that could benefit both the private sector as well as the government. So in this we have something that's much easier to use, much less costly, much quicker, and both the government and the commercial sector can take advantage of that.
The JMIC is an innovative, reusable pallet crate hybrid designed for use in asset-based packaging logistics. It was originally developed by the military for shipping dangerous ammunition, but its use was broadened for all types of cargoes.
The JMIC project is a project between the Navy, the Army, Marine Corps, Air Force, mainly the Navy and Army. And it's a project or an attempt to, and I believe it's been pretty successful, to make packaging, handling, shipping, and transportation more efficient using less manpower in the DoD. Early on, there was a realization that modular packaging was needed, but there really wasn't any modular packaging that existed in the DoD. We wanted to create sort of a Lego system where containers of various sizes can work together and then also work together with the various equipment that exists in the DoD. We also wanted to incorporate the newest technology, collapsibility, interlockability, which we did put into the JMIC.
It's a container technology that most probably could replace our existing container system, not only domestically but internationally. We know that the JMIC has already utilized the Marine Corps. The Army is in the process of taking advantage of this container technology, and I think we'll see this technology starting to be used commercially.
TCP, or Trivalent Chromium Processes, provides an anti-corrosive, improved undercoating, exceeding EPA standards. used on FA-18, H-46, H-53, and AV-8B rework.
TCP was developed as an environmentally friendly corrosion preventive compound. It reduces the cost of maintenance and it reduces the time that it takes to maintain the aircraft or paint systems.
It's a new chemical conversion coating for our aluminum structures that make up the skins of our aircraft. And this is an important part of our protection scheme. It gets put on before we prime or paint, and it provides additional corrosion protection and boosts the adhesion of the primer itself.
We had a problem at one of our depots and they couldn't use the coating. We solved that, and now we are offering this product basically to the world to help with the environmental issue, but still providing a good product.
The future of technology transfer is bright.
Navy technologies that have transferred successfully to the commercial sector are currently being used in diverse fields such as cancer diagnosis, advanced statistical analysis, survival training for pilots, and fire suppression.
Collaboration, cooperation, accomplishment. The Technology Transfer Program allows the Navy and industry to partner in the pursuit of solutions to today's technological challenges. Together, their visionary, innovative products not only modernize the fleet, but transform our world.